Hey, this is Joshua again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this wonderful certified pre-owned 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 2-liter TSI turbocharged engine with an 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission with sport mode. You get 21 miles per gallon in the city, 29 miles per gallon on the highway, front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers, trailer sway control towing equipment ports, ABS and driveline traction control, blind spot monitor and sensors, forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, backup camera with park distance control, front and rear sensors, adaptive cruise control, radio with aux and USB input, Bluetooth connectivity, heated leathered seats, power rear cargo liftgate, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.